What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have nothing planned, but it's such a beautiful day that I decided to just pull out my camera and just vlog. Right now I'm just waiting for my car to get warmed up. I really wanted to use the IS, but I ran into a little problem yesterday. Alright guys, so the other day I actually checked the oil for the IS and everything was good, and then I drove it for that day. And then yesterday I checked the oil again, and my dumbass actually forgot to put the cap back on before the other drive, so I actually lost it. I don't know where it went. And also now this cap won't close for some reason. Like, I think I broke it or something. Oh yeah, it broke for sure right there. I don't know if I broke it or it came broken, but now it looks like I have to get a new reservoir maybe, but fine. So today we are actually gonna go buy the oil cap for this car, but we're not gonna drive it today because I want to spend time with my friends before they head out to Coachella tomorrow, and you know, I'm gonna be alone by myself. All right guys, so great news, I just got off the phone with AutoZone and they do have one oil cap left, which is only $4.99, so let's just head there. All right guys, I'm actually on E right now, so I need to pour gas right around the corner. And since I'm going to the gas station and it's kind of shitty, I'm gonna show you guys the daily life of a slam car. Alright guys, so angle, there you go. Oh, I'm on second gear. It wasn't that bad. Don't you guys hate it when you guys leave your house and you finally get to the place you guys needed to be, and then you guys forgot your fucking wallet? It's such a fucking waste of time. Now I need to go back home and just go back to the fucking gas station, I guess. She Thursday. Every drop counts. Every drop counts. You go all the way straight right here. Okay, now you have to wait for traffic. It's not so bad, right? What are you guys thinking about the new Blackpink song? Pretty fire to me. So I just picked up the cap and it's only $4.80 after tax. That's a fucking steal.
Oh yeah! Yeah.
You got crab in your room?
Yeah.
That's cute, bro.
What you got?
Oh,
dude, what? This is mine, bro.
I bought it.
You bought this for me, bro.
Yeah, but you brought it to the party.
I left it at the party.
You
I didn't even drink it, fool.
You left it at the...
Dude, look at this. This is full.
Look, you left that at the party.
So it's mine.
Look, listen to it. You left that at the...
What do you mean? Look, it's mine. Well,
look,
he bought it for me from the Bahamas.
Look, but you brought it to the party where there's hella people that could have just took it. So I took it back.
I
took it back.
It there for you to drink, but you were.
You didn't tell me. You didn't even tell me you brought it.
I told you the day before that came.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Take a shot for me then. Take a sip.
I just took a shot. Mine.
Just make sure lemon water fall. Make sure you're not even touching your lip.
Fine here. One time for the vlog, alright? Don't tell nobody, okay? Because there's a lot of, you know, what's going on around here. Yeah, you mean Jessica? Ooh. Ah.
How's that? How's that taste?
Tastes just like a fucking XO.
Ooh.
XO, baby.
I smell it.
Hugs and kisses. What about you then?
Nah, I'm gonna put this back.
What the fuck? Oh, yeah.
I'm driving.
Oh, yeah. Guys, I just got to Taco Bell and bro, they level up, man. Check this out. This is straight up Japan status right here. What? You order through a screen, man? Like you don't even need to work here no more because everything is already on there, right?
I'm gonna get mine.
Yup. Add. Oh shit! Did you want that or no?
Yeah, I did.
No beans.
No beans. Yeah. Straight up, we Asians, we don't like beans.
I do. I just not fart too much.
Same here. All right, you guys go ahead and order through the screen. I'm just gonna order through up front.
It's just taking my job.
Dude, for real. You see how long that takes, bro? Come on, man.
I was editing.
Dude. Yeah. He's waiting for you guys over here. You guys are using the machines and shit, you know what I mean? Back in the days for human, it's like... Guys, this is why you always order to the front, because guess what? I only got a chicken quesadillas, right? With nothing else. And the guy liked me so much, he hooked it up with a drink, man. Oh yeah.
He said that now they're gonna fire him.
And why they call it chicken quesadillas?
Why?
Why?
When there's only one.
Because quesadillas, that's
Unless it's
the
quesadilla.
That's a single,
It is
singular.
quesadilla, fool.
He said chicken quesadillas.
Oh,
Oh, well, guess what? I'm a pop, so I get an excuse.
So since all my friends left for Coachella and they get to listen to my favorite girl band, Blackpink, they don't even like them like that. They don't like them. Guys, I'm finally done crying. Now we get to see if the cap even fits on this thing. If it does, then this is the best $4.80 I've ever spent in my life. Let's see if this fits. It's the same shape and everything. Let's see here. Oh, it fits. Dude, this is the best $4 I've ever spent in my life. Yeah, I know it looks super sketchy and super ghetto, but it's better than this thing. This thing was just laying on top and wasn't doing anything. At least this actually covers it. And since I have nothing to do today, I'm gonna wash both of my cars. They're both super filthy, like especially for a black car, you guys see everything, which is super gross. And for a white car, you know, you guys might think washing a white car is easy. It is, but once it gets dirty, it turns yellow. Like you see all the bird poops, and especially the rear end. It looks so freaking disgusting. Especially my rear bumper, it looks super nasty. Look at this. Ugh. So yeah, we're gonna get both of these cars washed. But before I wash both of my cars, I'm gonna have to move Tony's car out because I need this spot. He's in Coachella with them also. So I finally finished rearranging all of the cars. The reason why the IS up here is because it's stock height and they can make it up here. The Prelude's right here because I can't make up the driveway, and the hose could go only like up to there. And Tony's car I just left in the back because I'm not gonna touch it. Alright guys, so today I'm actually using Mr. Pink because I found it in Tony's trunk. Got a little bucket of water here. You're supposed to do the 2-bucket method, but I just want to get the car wash done quick. And the car hasn't been detailed yet, so I'm not really tripping about it. So yeah, let's just get started. There you go. Damn, Randy's car is looking good now. Now that it's one color. Look at that sparkle. Alright guys, so we ended up at the warehouse and we're gonna be here for a couple hours, so we decided to try out the bottle of Crown XO that I bought for son, and he didn't want it, so I took it back. Put that jank ass Jack Daniels back, bro. Oh, right here. We're gonna try this. Oh, put that shit back too. Put it back. Whoa! My wheels are spinning by itself. Savage, huh? It is. The warehouse is haunted. Who's driving my car right now? Just kidding, guys. I'm actually doing this to test out something for the next video. So the next video for sure, we are going to polish these wheels. Damn, if only I could run this fitment just driving straight. But it's already hitting my wheels. As of right now, I don't think my car can handle it. As you guys can see, my freaking lip is already all scraped and all messed up. Damn, look who just showed up. Uber Eats? Is it Uber Eats? Ooh, Uber Eats. Thank you. So I gotta end the vlog today because I'm actually gonna help Kaz film a little video on his channel. Kaz is filming his cinematics because, you know, his channel is about that.
That's what I do.
If you guys haven't watched Kaz's videos, he's actually really like, what's it called? What's that word? Artistic. Like,
Artistic.
yeah, his videos are like really professional, if you know what I mean. This guy actually takes like 3 hours just to film an intro.
That's exaggerating. Maybe like an hour and a half.
So yeah, we're doing a little work on his car. I'm gonna continue doing his thing before we start on his video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by for today's vlog. We're almost at 100K, guys. And if you guys don't know, or if you guys don't remember, I'm actually gonna drop some merch at the 100K mark. So me and Vu are actually in the process of making some designs, so stay tuned for that drop. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.